Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afiqah binti Adnan. Today, my friends and I will present about the current issue that we have found regarding food and beverages industry and cosmetic industry.
Hi, my name is Eqrar binti Muhammad Rashid.
The objective is to explain the current issue related to food and beverage, F&B and cosmetic industry, and to identify the possible cause and solution the problem related to halal, GMP, safety and quality issues.
Food and beverage industry is one of the most developing industry in Malaysia, and it is need to supply food to the people. However, industries such as these needs qualifications to gain trust from the consumer. And some time ago, a news being reported that a premise in Segambut was being ordered to close by Kuala Lumpur City Hall, also known as DBKL, as when the DBKL makes an inspection, the premise, it is a noodle processing factory, and the factory was found in an unhygienic condition. And the inspection that have been made by the DBKL found many faults at the factory, including rats dropping, and the workers there were not vaccinated for typhoid, and they are also didn't wear any apron and head covering while handling the processing and production. And there's also stains on the walls, on the floors, and no pest contractor, and the area surrounding the equipment were not clean. It's dirty and in a poor condition. And so the overall inspection found that the area, the premise, the facility was not suitable for end processing or production.
My name is Aisyah binti Zulkifli. The overview for cosmetic industry. Cosmetic industry has been expanding rapidly in both developed and developing countries. The cosmetic market in Asia seems to be one of the fastest growing markets. The market value of the Asia Pacific has increased to more than 70 billion USD, which is the second highest market after the Western European market. As reported in 2013, Malaysians spent about 407 million USD on cosmetic products, and this demand was mainly made by imports. However, there are many cosmetic products that do not have the approval of the Malaysia Ministry of Health that are sold in the market due to the content of the products are not safe for consumer use. The Berita Harian News in 13 October 2017 was reported that seven cosmetic products were banned and their distribution immediately cancelled by the Ministry of Health Pharmaceutical Service due to the detection of hydroquinone, tretinoin, and mercury in the products. Some of the products include Dissolve Plus products from Nuriz Cosmetic and Spa that contain hydroquinone and tretinoin.
Okay, I'm sorry, earlier I forgot to mention when the news was reported. It was reported on 24th June 2020. It's quite new. Okay, and as for the factory that was reported on the news, it was a noodle processing factory known as Yamarico Tea, located in Jalan Segambut Selatan, Segambut, Kuala Lumpur. And it is not really quite a popular brand, as the location of the factory was not suitable for processing, and also there's no business sign, and the overall appearance of the factory is not satisfactory.
Background for cosmetic company, Dissolve Plus products is one of the famous products from Nuriz Cosmetic and Spa under the company of Progressive Meat Industry Sdn Berhad. It was established by Datuk Zainuri Muhammad Zain since 1997. This company was located at Sungai Petani, Kedah. Nuriz Beauty and Health products have been widely known. Other products produced by Nuriz Cosmetic are Nuriz Shopee UV Pearl Cream, Nuriz Acne Gel, and Nuriz Nano White Series 5-in-1.
The factory was given a notice of closure because of its poor sanitary practice. The workers did not maintain any good hygienic conditions, which leads to the factory being dirty and unattended. And the possible cause of these actions may be because of the lack of awareness of the workers itself towards good hygiene and sanitary conditions. And the workers did not pay any attention to the sanitation of the facilities of the processing areas as well as the equipment. And it appears the processing area, the processing factory appears to be not well maintained and organized properly. It is also believed that a cleaning schedule was not implemented there, as the surrounding is really in a poor condition. And also the workers maybe didn't think about the consumer that will that will buy their products, how the consumer will react if they know that the noodles they've been eating was processed in an unhygienic condition such as that.
For the possible causes of the problem in the cosmetic company, this product is banned from distribution by Malaysian Ministry of Health due to safety issue against consumers. This problem occurs because of the market demand in society, especially women who were encouraged to have white, glow and smooth skin. Unfortunately, consumers do not think about the long-term effect of the product used on the skin. This demand will urge manufacturers to produce products that meet the needs of consumers without thinking of the material used in the product, either products are safe or harmful to consumers.
As for the solution, the factory should establish a food sanitation program to prevent contamination during production as well as to produce a good quality product. The program should cover major areas such as the equipment, the environment, air and water. Based on a journal according to Codex Alimentarius Commissions, food sanitation should cover these elements such as environmental hygiene, hygienic production, cleaning and maintenance, as well as personnel hygiene. The control operation of production should also be monitored, which includes hygiene control system. The factory should also establish a cleaning program which was obligated for all personnel, all workers to take part together to practice how to maintain a good sanitation, a good hygienic condition at production area at the facilities. And other than that, managers should also inform all the workers, all the personnel regarding the current good manufacturing practice provided by the Food and Drug Administration. And every workers, every personnel should follow the requirements which includes personal employee cleanliness, sanitary operation, cleaning of equipment, and much more. And this CGMP can be used as guideline to keep a good sanitation at the facilities.
For the solution to resolve these cosmetic product issues, the companies and individuals producing the product and responsible for ensuring that every product sold is safe for consumers, as stated in a website US and Drug Administration, which does not itching and give redness of the skin. This is very important to determine brand credibility and product quality. The better the quality felt, the better the image and brand sales. So, the product to be sold in the market requires specific testing to show the safety of each product or ingredient. Most of the tests that are often made are heavy metal tests, stability tests, and microbiological tests. In addition, as in Metro News, awareness campaign to the community should also be done by responsible parties such as the Ministry of Health Malaysia. This is because society is less exposed to the dangers of using products that have a harmful ingredients. For example, Dissolve Plus product from Nuriz Cosmetic and Spa contain hydroquinone and tretinoin. Although both ingredients have such benefits as can reduce the formation of melanin on the skin and reduce the appearance of fine wrinkles, but the adverse effect of contain of these two ingredients are more compared to its benefit. For example, redness of the skin, itching, flaking, blisters or crush, diarrhea, and anxiety. More serious effect can damage your kidney without realizing it.
Role of GMP in producing a quality, safety, and halal product. Being the standard of food and drug industry to ensure the production and process of safety and quality product. It be a guideline for the manufacturer to process their product. GMP cover all aspects of production and from starting material, premise, and equipment to the training and personal hygiene staff. GMP also uh, cover all aspects in GMP factory, also personal hygiene for staff. GMP or CGMP will not only complete the legislation but might significantly increase the quality of their product and increase revenue and customer satisfaction. It not only to GMP not only for legislation but increase the certification of customer and uh, increase the product value. For conclusion, for this assignment, discover that Malaysia has many development industry. On the other hand, issue regarding some industry issue or rumor about industry may rise because rivalry, insecurity, and resentment. There has an issue with also because mistake of company itself. This issue may reduce the encourage all industry follow the right regulation. GMP and CGMP introduced to help development industry.